else we need for this project: 5-ply milk cotton yarn, a 4mm crochet hook, darning needle will be very helpful, scissors. Okay, let's begin. For the first round, we will begin with a double magic ring. A double magic ring is more secure. So first, just create 2 loops, chain 3, and then work 15 double crochet into the magic ring. So the first round you should have 16 stitches. The first stitch, the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Okay, so we will have 16 stitches in total, including the chain 3. 5, 6, 15, 16. Okay, so now we will close the magic ring. You see the yarn tail, you pull the yarn tail, and then observe this one that moved. You pull that one to close the ring, and then you pull the yarn tail to completely close the magic ring. And then we slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Okay, and then for round 2 we chain 3. Round 2 is composed of 32 stitches. For the first stitch, this counts as the first double crochet, so we will work another double crochet into the same stitch. So that counts as 2 stitches. And then in the next stitch we work 2 double crochet. That's 1 and 2. So we will work 2 double crochets in every stitch for a total of 32 double crochets. 31, 32 double crochet. Then we slip stitch in the 3rd chain. For the next round, we work chain 3, and then we increase in the next stitch. We will work 2 double crochet in the next stitch. This is the increase. And then we work 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then increase in the next. That's 1, and in the same stitch another double crochet. So that will be the pattern for round 3. We should create 48 double crochet in round 3. So that's 1, and then increase, 1, and then increase. Okay, continue, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. 47 and 48. And then we slip stitch in the 3rd chain. For the next round, we will work on the ear. So we chain 1 and then work in the same stitch, work a single crochet. Okay, and then skip 2 stitches. That's, if you can see, this is 1 and then this is the second stitch. So in the third stitch, that's where we're going to create 3 double crochet. That's 1, and in the same stitch 2 double crochet, and then another double crochet in the same stitch, and then 1 treble crochet. So that's 2 loops there, treble crochet, and then chain 1, and then work another treble crochet in the same stitch, and then work another 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then we will skip 2 stitches. So that's the first ear of the cat, and then work 6 single crochet. But then if you're going to work, that's 3. That's the third single crochet. It's supposed to be 6 single crochet to work on the next ear, but if you're going to create a mini pouch, we need to make a loop. To create a loop, we will work 40 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 40 chain stitches, and then we will slip stitch here in the 2 loops of that chain, slip stitch, and then continue to work 3 single crochet in the next 3. Okay, so this will be the loop. Now for the other side, for the other panel, you can work just 8 chain stitches, but for the other panel we need to work a longer loop. Okay, we will join them later. Okay, so we will work on the other ear. We will work double crochet in the third stitch. We will skip 2 and then double crochet into the third. Work 3 double crochet into the same stitch, and then 1 treble in the same stitch, chain 1, treble crochet in the same stitch, double crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So that's the second ear. And then we will skip 2 stitches, and then on the third we work a single crochet, and then to finish we will slip stitch and then cut the yarn, weave in the yarn tail at the back, okay, cut the excess yarn, okay, get a white yarn for the whiskers, okay, does that look like whiskers? Okay, and then tie it at the back. Okay, work also on the other panel. Now we will join the 2 panels, right sides facing each other. You can stitch beginning here all the way up to here, or if you want a bigger opening, you can stitch at the corner or at the tip of the ear, so you will have a bigger opening. We will work on the outer loop, on the back loop only. Okay. So this is the back loop. We will insert our hook at the back loop, this here, and this here. In the chain 1, in the back loop of the chain 1. Okay, the back loop of the chain 1, that's where we're going to attach our yarn. Okay, and then from there we will start to work single crochet, chain 1, and then start to work at the back loop of each stitch. This is the back loop, the back loop. Okay. We should achieve something like this. Something like this. This is what we're trying to achieve. Okay. So just continue working and I'll meet you at the end of the round. Okay, that's our mini pouch. We just weave this yarn tail at the back. There goes the finished project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So this is just a coaster, but if you add ears and if you make 2 of these, then it becomes a mini pouch. It's as simple as that. Thank you, everyone. Please like and share and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you and bye.